Hello, this is Shark. Once again, we are with a chart here on Asia Siaka commodities. We covered this one a few weeks ago. අපිට මතකයි Asia Siaka ගැන අපි කතා කළා මීට සති කිහිපයකට කලින්. chart එකෙන් අපිට පැහැදිලිව පේනවා RSI indicator එක විතරයි මම use කරන්නේ, which is showing around 50. So now it's healthy. Let me remove that as well. So now you have a very clean chart here. You have the moving average, which is indicated here, and let me put it a different color, and yeah, this is much better. Okay, so it's very clear now, the moving average for you. This is the ASI performance, a comparison with the counter for the last 18 months. As you all know, you can see this horizontal line and ascending upward line as well, where the share price has moved, making from low point to a high point, and then a lower high, and it's been testing here the resistance and here as well. So we have a resistance point around 370 and a buying opportunity around 340. Probably it could even fall back to 320, 330, which we saw here a few days ago. So I'm not discounting even 320. So this is a share that it's worth holding. We have seen here, if you were holding since September from 220, it has made some very good gains and it appreciated around 370. Yes, it's a slow mover like a turtle, but we are seeing a good appreciation over the 2 years period, and on top of that we are getting good dividends. We've seen 36 cents or 30 cents in the last 2 years, so it's worth, which is around 10% if you were holding the share around 330 or 350. It's a 10% yield you're making on it. Yes, one thing which is stalling the advance this particular share is the continuous selling that is taking place in this level. Well, nobody knows the reason why, but I am assuming there could be a couple of reasons. This is debatable, but අපි හිතුවත් in lanka commodities got in I think in 2013. They were holding around 51% stake, and with the mandatory offer triggering, it went to almost 85 or closer to that, and they're shedding. So they're shedding this 82 million shares that they purchased during the mandatory offer, and the current public holding is almost 10.5 as per the latest quarterly reports ending 30th June. So I am assuming this is just a guess. Okay, I may be wrong. So maybe they're trying to migrate to a main board from Dirisavi board, so they're trying to maintain a 25% public float, or it could be that they're shedding part of the mandatory the shares that they purchased during the mandatory, and they're trying to convert it into cash. So this is another thing we need to look into it. Anyway, if you look at on a technical side, we are seeing ascending triangle. Okay, as everybody knows, ascending triangles are continuation patterns. which is a positive for this share. Targets are derived between the high points here and the lower point here in these troughs. So I'm seeing a difference of 250 to 370 is around 120, 1 rupee and 20 cents. If you draw a target of from here, we are looking basically 490 to 5 rupees. So this is our target for Asia-Siaka. This may take 12 to 18 months period. The other point with regard to ascending triangles is that let me show you with this 2-year graph. Now we are seeing here a bearish trend. Okay, now ascending triangles are also we have seen they form during a downtrend. Okay, so they form during a downtrend as a reversal pattern, which is confluencing with what we are seeing here. So here the two horizontal resistance points I have drawn up, I have laid here to identify our targets. That's about it. So that's about Asia-Siaka. So for a change from Lanka Indian Oil Company, I'm looking at Asia-Siaka, and probably my next video would be on United Motors Lanka. That is another good counter if you're and it's a must for your portfolio, similar to Asia-Siaka. Until we see on another video, most probably on United Motors Lanka, probably I'll be doing it maybe tomorrow or day after. Happy weekend, enjoy, and we'll see you through my next video, and all the very best.